A big story is breaking today, and it has something to do with Coinbase and also major implications for XRP. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this huge news for crypto, this massive win for the crypto industry against the SEC, and really showing us the pivot that the United States government is now having with the new administration, with the new SEC that they have in place, and what cryptocurrency looks like in the future, specifically onshore here in the USA. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Tap the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, turn on your notification bell because we're going to we're doing a lot more breaking crypto news updates in this channel because I think that a lot of people need to understand these catalysts and some of these things that are happening. Now, the one today is very significant. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong came out earlier today, and he actually announced that we are going to see the SEC officially drop their investigation and their case against Coinbase. Now, what they were doing was they were coming after Coinbase for offering unregistered securities and specifically going after their staking platforms. Now, this is bullish for XRP, in my opinion. And here is why. This is one of many conversations that the SEC has had in its anti-crypto crusade that is now going to get set to the side. The other major one is the Ripple case. And as I've talked about on this channel many, many times, the Ripple lawsuit has ended 49 million times already. I'm exaggerating. You guys should know that. But how many different headlines have you seen? And just Google it. The Ripple case ending soon. The Ripple case ending soon. Everybody's saying the Ripple case ending soon. Well, here you go again. The Ripple case could really actually be ending soon because we're actually seeing the SEC actually take action and dropping their lawsuit. Now, we still, even with this Coinbase thing, have to see a vote come out and this officially be done. Right now, this is the CEO who did a video kind of like this, where he talked to the camera and he announced that they're going to be dropping the investigation. We're waiting on an official vote, but this is huge. What he laid out in his video was that when the SEC is going to officially retract this case, this is going to be the thing that allows cryptocurrency companies to continue to build onshore here in America and build up this innovation within the bounds of the United States. Now, for Ripple, this is very exciting because they are clearly, Brad Garlinghouse is clearly having conversations with the current administration. There's clearly a conversation going on right now. If you look at some of the facts that have come out recently, we've seen Crypto.com, Ripple, Coinbase, Circle, all stablecoin issuers that are in conversations with the CFTC to come up with stablecoin legislation and regulation. Moving forward, these are the organizations that are working with the government, and Coinbase is finally getting this regulatory leash taken off of them, and Ripple's probably coming soon. So this is big news for Ripple. On top of it, I know that we're not talking about an XRP ETF, which is now, we're going to get a decision on the XRP ETF from the SEC before October. That is a fact. We're going to get a decision definitively from the SEC before the end of October. Why? Because we've already seen the applications from these massive firms get applied to the SEC. The SEC has accepted the applications for these ETFs from at least 3 different firms. It might even be 4 now. So we're waiting on this. This news coming from Coinbase is massive, massive news for the crypto industry. And what we saw was the crypto markets pump today. Then we saw the Bybit hack announcement come out. Now, about the Bybit hack, I do want to mention that in this video, that killed all the upward momentum we had going on for Bitcoin earlier today. Bitcoin was above 100K earlier. At the time of this recording, it's sitting back below $100,000. It got very close to 100K, almost broke above it, but it did not, because then all of a sudden we had this Bybit hack news that came out. Now, what happened there? The Bybit team put out a lot of news on X saying that essentially they had a multi-sig wallet where they were approving a transaction, and somehow this hacker swapped the code in the smart contract and basically cleaned out one of the cold. Well, they're in the process of cleaning out the cold wallet. Sometimes these exchanges can actually stop this from happening while it's occurring. But right now, these hackers are taking all the money that was in this cold wallet, converting it over to ETH and sitting on it. The fear is that they might sell it. So though we have this beautiful big news for crypto today, this Ethereum sell-off could impact the crypto markets as well, and this could affect Ripple as well. So what I'm going to say about XRP right now is I think that it's a good discount from its highs, but the reality is as we're looking at this market, we have to keep in mind, guys, that we're waiting for a Fed pivot. If we need the Fed pivot, we need the Fed to stop quantitative tightening, move towards quantitative easing. We need the Fed to lower the interest rate. We need to see some rate cuts. That way risk on assets can rally. Again, this little Bybit hack is a little bit of a stop in the nice upward swing that we had off the Coinbase news, which is good for XRP and some of the other firms that have been battling the courts, the SEC in courts as of late. Net positives, guys, I think are better than the negatives. The big negative story today is Bybit hack. That's a temporary thing. What I did is when I saw that news, I immediately opened up a short and had a quick little short, made some money on that. If you want to find an exchange other than Bybit to do some trading like this on, well, you could sign up for Blowfin. Right now, Blowfin isn't having any hack problems or anything like that. And so if you're temporarily looking to get off of Bybit and looking for somewhere else to go do your trading, you can check out Blowfin if you want to in the description down below. You can trade XRP there. You can trade a lot of your favorite coins, guys. But I wanted to talk about this Coinbase news because I think that it's absolutely massive news for the crypto industry. It's massive news for XRP and Ripple lovers because that is probably the biggest case in all. Probably the biggest case in all of crypto is the XRP case. And I say that because, again, we've seen that case get a headline 1.5 million times. Eventually, when that lawsuit is over, I think it's going to be the catalyst to get XRP above $5. I think we could see a $10 XRP in this bull market. And I'm honestly beginning to think that with the trajectory of this market right now, with the narratives that are going on, with the relationships that XRP and the Ripple team have, we could see something bigger than $10 potentially in this bull market. But I want to stay conservative and say, realistically, $5 to $10 is something that I'm looking for in this bull market. I've laid out a case for let's go into maybe even $20 for XRP. And, if we do go to $10 trillion, I do think that something like that could be achievable. Is that crazy? Is that in line with what you guys are thinking? Let me know in the comments down below. But regardless of what our price targets are, just talking about general momentum right now and up or down from here, generally up, guys. That's my thought. That's my prediction. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, guys, but I am bullish on cryptocurrency. So we're going to keep the content coming. I did a live stream earlier today where I dove deep into some of this stuff and did a little Q&A session with my audience, but I wanted to give a video to you guys out here that don't really like watching the live streams, but check out those live streams as well, guys. Turn on your notification bell. Check out our links down below if you want to do some trading somewhere outside of Bybit. You can check out Blowfin. That's all I got in this one. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, guys. And, of course, I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. See you next time, y'all. Peace.